Good evening, students. This video is on the paper literary forms, and we are moving to the next unit, the unit number 4. The title of the unit number 4 is drama. Okay, so what do you mean by drama, and what are the origins of drama, and what are the various genres of drama? Okay, so these are all the topics which we are going to discuss in this fourth unit. Okay, so the first topic that we are going to discuss in unit number 4, drama, is origin of English dramas. Okay, how English drama originated. So that is the topic we are going to discuss. So what is how English drama originated? Drama in England originated from religion. In the Middle Ages, the church services were conducted in Latin, which most of the congregation did not understand. The church wanted to provide people delight as well as spiritual uplift. The clergy therefore used to act episodes from life of Christ or services from Bible, especially on special occasions like Christmas and Easter. Slowly, some portions of the mass known as tropes began to assume the form of dialogue and hence the dramatic form. So first, English dramas originated from religion, that is Christianity. From Christian religion, English drama originated. So in the Middle Ages, when the priest, when priest began to preach, and they said the Bible was in Latin language, and when they read Bible and explained Bible, and when they said everything was in Latin language, as everything was in Latin language, people do not understand. People did not understand. People were unable to grasp the concept of Bible, the spirituality. So what did the priest do? So they began to perform in the church itself. The priest began to perform life of Christ and all the stories of Bible in the church itself, and thus a little bit of dramatic form developed in English language. It's not like let's say in the beginning they started to enact in Latin language. Okay, actually the preaching, the mass was conducted in Latin language, and as the people did not understand anything, the priest began to act some episodes of the Bible stories. And as it was interesting, and people began to gather and watch it, and they began to enjoy dramas, and thus people enjoyed the entertainment. So let me continue. So thus people enjoyed the drama, and also they happened to know the Bible stories also. Okay, thus entertainment as well as spiritual upliftment, everything happened to people, and thus drama developed. Okay, and elaboration of the clergy therefore used to act episodes from the life of Christ or scenes from Bible, especially on special occasions like Christmas and Easter. Slowly, some portions of the mass known as tropes began to assume the form of dialogue and hence the dramatic form. Elaboration of church ritual and liturgy began the earliest kinds of dramatic performances. Soon, the Latin dialogue were replaced by vernacular. Later, purely vernacular plays were composed. One of the earliest plays of was Adam. Such plays were performed within the church, and the monks and priests participated as actors. A slowly dramatic form, dialogues was introduced, and dialogue was also in the Latin language. So initially inside the church, when the mass was set and the kind of dramatic performance was staged in the church itself, and there was no dialogue. When the priest, the head of the priest, explained the story, and the dramatic form, the performance, acting performance was staged by the priest themselves. Okay, and slowly dialogues was given, and yet people were able to understand Bible stories. And slowly and steadily, when Protestant and Bible was translated in vernacular languages, naturally English was replaced upon Latin language, and people began to enjoy dramas a lot. Okay, and most of the Bible stories, especially Adam and Eve story, was performed inside the church in English language itself, and the actors were predominantly only church priests were the actors of these dramatic performances. Okay, as the time passed, the churches could not accommodate the large crowds that assembled to see church plays. So the performances were taken outside the areas surrounding the church. This change of locally and the introduction of the vernacular marked a breakaway from church tradition. Drama thus became secular, more humorous and less rigid. See, as time passed, as dramas became more entertaining, people are interested to watch dramas. Church were occupied by huge crowds. Okay, lots of crowds, especially during Christmas Day celebration and festivals, Easter Day and Good Friday. During these festival seasons, church stories were enacted, and as crowd was more, slowly the church priest, the diocese decided to perform dramas in a public place. Okay, so and after that, dramas became more and more popular, and common people, common people began to act and perform Bible stories. And this was not liked by the church and the priest, and slowly the church decided that they are not going to perform dramas. But slowly common people began to perform dramas. Thus, but the English dramas break away from church, and common people began to perform dramas. Okay, and the church frowned upon the change and prevented the monks and the priests from acting in the place. So dramatic performances were taken over by town guilds, and this tradition continued in the till the 16th century. Okay, so when common people began to act, this was not liked by the church, and slowly church gave away the performance of drama, and common people began to perform, and all the common people performed Bible stories alone. They did not creatively write their own stories. Okay, so this is the most important point here we have to understand. And common people, in the sense, each group of profession, they enacted a particular story from Bible. Okay, say for example, Noah's story. Okay, Noah's story would be performed by sailor. Okay, the group of sailors would perform the story of Noah, and thus Bible story is rich, and it was performed by the group, the particular profession, the sailors, shipmen. Okay, similarly farmers or fishermen, and if it is a farmer story from Bible, farmers will perform, and if it is a fisherman story from Bible, fishermen's group of fishermen will perform for the people. Okay, thus the English drama are developed. Okay, we shall continue in next video.